city off our backs for them maybe 2 weeks ago.
Hi there. Hey, it's Free Mow Monday. It's Free Mow Monday. So I go around, I mow overgrown properties with all battery completely for free. And I would love to mow your lawn for you.
Oh, man, I don't think you would.
Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Vince with Ruta Lawn Co. Back at it again with another property rehab. I passed this house many times driving through my local city, and I just noticed that it could use some work. I talked to the guy, told me that the city's been on his back off and on again, but he is going to be moving soon. But I figured, hey, let's avoid any more conflict, and I'll take care of your property absolutely for free. So I started off by just cleaning up the edges as always. Everything that I use here that you're seeing in this video is completely battery. It's all Greenworks tools batteries. They were able to give me these tools to be able to complete these jobs, and it's been super beneficial. I'm actually pretty surprised at how well these batteries have been lasting while doing these jobs, because the grass that I'm mowing is anywhere from 1 to 2 feet in some areas. If you haven't checked my other video out, be sure to go and check that out. But I'm all done talking right now. Go ahead and just sit back and enjoy some satisfying mowing. And be sure to like and subscribe, because that helps support this channel and allows me to be able to go back and give back to the local community.
Done. Do you want to take a look and tell me what you think? Looks a bit different. Impressed.
It'll keep the city off our backs for them maybe 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, once again, thank you
Absolutely.
very much. Thank you.
You bet. I'm going to clean up here.
All right.